Carrots are considered to be one of the most popular vegetables. It is also versatile because it can be eaten cooked, raw or juiced, and comes in a variety of colors, such as in shades of yellow, purple, red and white. The characteristic color of carrots are produced by beta-carotene, and some amount of alpha-carotene. Also, it consists of zeaxanthin, lutein and gamma-carotene. They are also a rich source of vitamin A, B, C, K, minerals and fiber. 1. Boosts immunity. Juicing carrots give you in its concentrated form all its essential nutrients. Having just 1 glass daily is said to help in boosting immunity. It helps your body fight against free radical damage, protects it against harmful viruses, bacteria and inflammation. Carrot juice also contains vitamins and minerals such as K, B6, phosphorus and potassium, which contribute to a stronger nervous system, bone health and improved brain power. 2. Cholesterol and blood sugar maintenance. Carrots are low in carbohydrates and low on the glycemic index, which prevents a blood sugar spike after your meal. Their fiber content also helps you control blood sugar by slowing the breakdown of glucose during the digestion process. The antioxidants in carrots also modify cholesterol absorption and bile acids excretion to lower your cholesterol levels. 3. Cleanses the liver. Carrot juice can help in detoxifying and cleansing the liver. Regular consumption of carrot juice can help in a lot in releasing toxins from the liver. The bloodstream cannot rid the body of bile and toxins through the kidneys. They have to be removed from the skin. Carrot juice helps in this process and makes sure that the harmful bile is removed from the body. 4. Glowing skin. Beta-carotene, one of the antioxidants found in carrots, inhibits free radicals and fat oxidation. This helps prevent skin aging and excessive dryness. This compound also prevents sun-induced damage, while lycopene, another compound, improves the appearance and softness of skin. It may even help diminish the appearance of scars and blemishes. 5. Help strengthen the bones. Carrot juice contains vitamin K, which contributes in the protein-building process of the body. It also supports the binding of calcium, which results in faster healing, especially if you have broken bones. 6. Increases metabolism. Carrots are rich in B vitamins like thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, and folate. The B vitamins help your body metabolize carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, as well as burn stored fat within your body. It also plays a role in bulking up muscle mass to increase energy expenditure during and after workouts. Thiamine, for one, assists the conversion of carbohydrates into energy. 7. Oral health. Carrots contain nutrients which help improve immunity, including your body's ability to fight bacteria that enters through the mouth and live within your teeth and gums. Some minerals in carrots can be antibacterial, and also help prevent cavities and tooth decay. Also, carrots can help remove stains and plaque from teeth if eaten after meals. Upon consumption, the fiber in carrots help boost immunity by acting as a natural digestive system brush, thereby scrubbing away unwanted bacteria in your gut, and promotes better digestion of immune-boosting nutrients. 8. Prevents cancer. After digestion, some of the waste particles remain behind in your body, which are known as free radicals, and they can do damage to the cells. Consuming antioxidant-rich foods helps in fighting against these free radicals, thus preventing the possibilities of the development of cancerous cells. Research reveals that per 100 grams of carrots, contain about 9% vitamin C, 5% vitamin B6 and 33% vitamin A, which collectively help in fighting against free radicals. 9. Promotes heart health. To maintain a healthy heart, it is important to get the right amount of sleep, physically active and decrease your stress levels. But, all of this must be balanced with a proper and healthy diet, for it to have a positive effect. Carrots, which are full of dietary fiber and antioxidants, work towards keeping your heart healthy through the maintenance of blood circulation and removal of plaque from the arteries. 10. Protects eye health. Carrots contain 3 important nutrients, namely, lutein, beta-carotene and zeaxanthin, which considerably boost eye health. Without beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A, many forms of eye disorders can occur. These include macular degeneration and even blindness. Zeaxanthin and lutein, on the other hand, both work to reduce the risk of age-related vision loss. Just a cup of chopped carrots provides 400% of your vitamin A daily needs. Vitamin A is one of the most important nutrients needed for protecting eye vision, and most especially, as someone ages. Consuming carrot juice regularly will help in maintaining healthy eyes and vision. If eating carrots in raw form does not appeal to you, drinking carrot juice offers the same eye health benefits. Carrot juice recipe. Ingredients: -2 cups water, -2 cups chopped carrots, -1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, -1 teaspoon fresh and peeled ginger, ice cubes. Directions: combine all ingredients. Blend. Drink and enjoy.